In this video, we are going to see how to forecast the sales of subcategory as well as how to display top 5 and bottom 5 sales of subcategory in the same view. I have just connected to the data source named sample superstore Excel file, and I have created new two worksheets named forecast sales of subcategory and top 5 and bottom 5 sales of subcategory. First, let's see how to forecast sales of subcategory. So, forecasting is nothing but just predicting what would be the sale for the upcoming years. So, in this current data source which have connected, we have the sales data of the years 2013 to 2016. So, if you just want to forecast the sales of subcategories in 2017, we have to follow the following step. So, just place the order date in the columns and subcategory in the rows. So since we have to forecast the sales of subcategory, just place the subcategory in the rows as well as sales in the rows. So now you just get the visualization of sales of each subcategory from 2013 to 2016. So if you just want to forecast what is the sales for 2017, you just want to go to analysis. So you can see an option forecast, show forecast. So Tableau automatically provides the forecast of sales for 2017. So if you just want to see the values, you can just place the sales in the label. Sales values for each year will be displayed. Now let's see how to display top 5 and bottom 5 sales of subcategory in the same view. First, let's create a set to view the top 5 sales of subcategory. So just select subcategory, right click the subcategory and go to create option and select set. Dialog box will be opened. So select all the subcategories and just click the top option. So select by field, give the option as 5, select the field as sales and select sum. Click OK. Now a set is created. You can just rename the set. Go to edit set. I'm just renaming this set as top 5 sales of subcategory. Click apply. OK. Now let's create another set to display the bottom 5 sales of subcategory. Right click subcategory. Go to create set. Select all the subcategories. So now choose the top option. You can click the by field. So in the by field, select bottom and enter the value as 5. And you have to choose the field as sales and OK. So if we just want to rename it, go to edit set and rename the set. I'm just renaming the set as bottom 5 sales of subcategory. Click apply. OK. So now we have to create a combined set for top 5 sales of subcategories and bottom 5 sales of subcategories. So I just select this top 5 sales of subcategory set, right click this set and click the option create combined set. So I'm just renaming this set as top 5 and bottom 5 sales of subcategory. I have to choose the two sets, top 5 sales of subcategory and bottom 5 sales of subcategory, and I just give OK. So now if you just want to view the top 5 and bottom 5 sales of subcategory, you have to just place the subcategory in the columns and sales in the rows, and I have to just place the combined set created in the filter. So I can just sort it, just place the sales in the label so that the values of each subcategory will be displayed. Place the sales in the color so that top 5 subcategories will be given in darker shade of blue, and bottom 5 subcategory by sales will be given in lighter shades of blue. This is how you can display the top 5 and bottom 5 sales of subcategory in the same view.